It's major.
So I know you said this respect factor that you feel like was lost with your daughter, um, which the internet and it's triggering when you get online and you get all these other people that get to pushing in the comments and all that.
And
It can,
support you.
but it can incite you too.
Of
Because
course.
I was
Of
there, man. You
course.
feel if you feel like you're alienated or you feel
Of
like
course.
you're not getting heard the way you want to be heard.
But can I say something without?
Yeah,
But imagine, and this is for her too. Imagine if you just took that out in person and not on the public. Like if she could have felt a certain way about me, the internet didn't know about us having any type of issues. I didn't until I seen the internet. It shouldn't be on the internet. If the personal stuff, and it seems like everybody runs to it. People get so mad that all they want to do is expose you, and that's just bad, man. That's just bad. I mean, are you and your dad cool now?
we are. Yeah.
So isn't that don't you see how dope that is? And don't you kind of see how maybe it was unfair some of your anger towards him and would probably shouldn't have even really been since he's the father. It's easy to take it out on him because he's a strong figure of you seeing. It's like so he's gonna be the dartboard. But don't you see like later on that things are kind of calm and cool that some of the stuff that you was angry about really it shouldn't have been really all his fault.
For my particular situation, it was actually directed at him, and it was some stuff that happened that he did that was wrong, and it happened publicly, and that's why I addressed it
Well,
publicly.
that's different.
So
That's different. Mine wasn't like that.
yeah. So basically, I had a best friend of mine who was online in the real estate space, and my dad co-signed him, and basically it was kind of like a situation where uh, the friend started doing dirty business with me,
Right.
but was still using my dad, and my dad was getting all this clout off my friend's following
Okay.
and the growth that he was getting.
Mhm.
So at the time, I didn't have a following. I didn't have nobody knew who Tony the Closer was. So my dad went with the clout,
Hmm.
and you know,
How old is he?
uh, shit, 56.
Shit, he's my age.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
So,
That's why you agreeing with Coy.
but
Because y'all like it's almost the same.
man, I'm 40.
You
Shit, I'll be
40? So he
39.
had you when he was what, 16,
I'm
17?
39. So my dad had me. No, he might be pushing 60. Shit, how was my dad? Um, he might be pushing 60.
Okay.
But no, he's pushing 62. Shit,
Okay.
I'm off a little bit.
Okay.
Um, but just the reality of what we actually were going through with with the way that shit took place, it made me feel like now he pit me against the internet and everybody because people were now involved and you thinking like, okay, if your dad is working with you, then you must not be official and all these other different things.
Well,
that were
that's how you
happening.
thought though.
That's how I internalized it.
That's how you
And
internalize
it
it.
wasn't just that; it was shit that people were actually saying too. So it was coming
Even
out.
though they don't matter.
Of course, you see in the grand scheme, people would say people don't matter or opinions don't matter, but in 2023, that shit matters because the way somebody can run with the narrative.
Okay, well there it is. There you go. I don't know if the opinions matter. It's how you uh, you know, put them together and make them be what you want them to be. And that's where it's at. You said it to me. You was like, yeah, people get the wrong impression of you because of the internet. Well, I'm the king of that. And what I'm telling you is that, and you know it, it ain't like that when you go outside. So I understand what you're saying business wise. And when you use the internet for monetary gains, that you want the narrative to always look a certain way. But at some point, the areas that you want to look a certain way, if they're not, if it's not truth, anyways, then that's going to rear its ugly head one day. And that's all I'm saying. If whatever the internet says about you, if it's true, then you're going to have a hard time. If it's not true, then you're going to be all right. And you